Okay, so back on the pool heater. What I did with swapping these, it didn't work. I got about the same temperature shutting off at 99. However, I did notice one other thing that I can try, and it looks like there's an adjustment screw. See, I've got an Allen wrench in there, and to me that looks very much like an adjustment screw to calibrate the thermostat at the factory when they make them. And you can see it's got a little bit of red Loctite on there. So I'm going to try turning that so that it presses the white button. See the white button? Presses that in a little bit further, because that's what it looks like it's supposed to do. Anyway, I'm going to go only a little bit at a time and see if it goes up, like a degree every quarter of a turn or something like that. I don't know. I think I'll try like a half a turn, and then I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. Okay? So I'm going to leave it hanging open just for the fun of it. So switches to spa. Putting this thermostat to maximum. Do that again. And then we'll go inside so we can get the temperature readings inside. There's no temperature readout out here. So wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, the valves are turning. The flame just went on. And now we have to wait. I think I should take my flashlight off of there, since it has a hot already. It has a plastic lens, so the top of that gets pretty hot. Oh, sorry, I got my finger in the lens. So I'm timing it, and it's going up a degree Fahrenheit about every 50 seconds. So it was topping out at 99 or 100, and I want to see it get to 104. Okay, we are at 98, and last night when I tested it, it shut off at 99, so we're going to go outside and see how that burn is going. Alright, I think we're still burning. Usually you can hear it when it shuts off. Let's go back in and look at the temperature. Okay, we have got 101. That's a good sign. Let's go back out. I just stuck my hand on the water outlet. It's still hot. It might have shut down. Let's go look at the temperature. Okay, we've got 102. So we've got my little granddaughter here in the background. So I'm going to turn it a little bit more. Another half a turn. I did 3/4 on the first time. Yes, this is off now. So the red light inside means that inside controller is still calling for another 1 or 2 degrees. And this is shut off because I think of the mechanical thermostat. So I'm going to turn that. We definitely caused a change. Excuse me. So I'm going to turn it another half turn. I did 3/4 the first time, and then we'll run it again and see if it comes up to 104. Okay, so I set it off. The temperature is going down now. So now we're going to try it again. I gave it a little twist. So we go to spa. We'll go watch it switch over. You can see that valve moving right in the middle of the screen there. Actually, there's 2 valves moving. Wait for it. There's a switch. There's the woof. That means the flame came on. Let's see if it gets a little bit higher this time. Alright, and we are in spa mode again. I let the spa water temperature come down a bit. Now we're going to watch it go up, 91. Yeah, actually that was just kind of a false reading because the spa didn't lose all that temperature that much, so it's 100. That was just a reading in the pipes, in the plumbing in the pipes. 101. Okay, I just saw 103. There's your 103. Let's go out and watch for the shut off. And then we'll go back in and see if it says at least 104. I mean, give or take a degree. I don't care if it's 105. So remember, we were getting about a degree a minute. And you can fast forward through this if this is incredibly boring. I think I just heard it shut off. Yeah, the green light went out. Let's check the temperature. Cross your fingers. And we got a green light here, which means spa heater is shut off. And 104. Bada bing. So I think we're in business now. So what did we learn? We learned that there is an adjustment on those old ancient thermostats, and we learned on my particular model that you could switch them left to right, right to left, pool to spa, spa to pool, doesn't really matter. But originally that pool heat or temperature thermostat was probably set lower than the spa, so it had to be adjusted up a little bit. And I'll bet you that, oh, I just saw 105. That's okay because there's some residual heat in the heater that transfers out to the water in the spa. It shouldn't go over 105, I don't think. But what was I saying? That you can fix this thing basically without spending several $1,000s on a new heater. So, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. I am going to have a nice cocktail and a jacuzzi tonight. Froggy out. Bye-bye. One PS. Also, we know, let's say you had young kids in the spa and you didn't want it to get to 104 or 105. You could come out and just turn that knob there, and it would, see, it's just switching over now from spa to pool. There's a cool down. You could turn that knob there, and it would override the temperature that's called for inside on the more computer program type panel. I don't think it's really a computer, but it's a circuit board, and this I think is pretty mechanical. Okay, bye. Oh, one more thing, because I always like to get into the economics of this stuff. Believe me, if you had a pool company come out, they are not going to do this kind of troubleshooting. They're going to say you need a new heater. They might change out a sensor, or maybe the sensor, there's two sensors. There's one temperature sensor built into the unit. There's another temperature sensor that's right there in the middle of your screen. And I have other videos on those, but they're not going to do what I just showed you how to do on that thermostat. I doubt it. What do you think? Give me some comments, feedback. Bye.